Hello students, welcome to Short Upsells classes. For more information, you can visit our website www.shortupsellsclasses.com, or else you can directly call us or WhatsApp us in this number 98367 93076. So in this lecture, we will be solving some past year questions of hotel management, and there will be the questions will be basically focusing on the aptitude part. So let's start with our first question. So here the question is, you are traveling in a train and one of your co-passenger is left on a platform while the train starts moving. So you would not bother. Obviously option A is not the appropriate one. Option B is look around awaiting for someone to react. Why should we look around for someone to help? So option B is also not applicable for me, at least. Option C is ask others to do something. Why we have to ask others to do something? Why we can't help? We can also help. So if we have the chance to help someone, I think we should help them. Option D is get up and pull the chain. So we know there in the bunk, in the above we have the chain that will stop the train for few minutes. So only for few minutes it will stop the train, and as it's a generous reason that your co-passenger eventually missed the train, or he just left on the platform, so I think that's a genuine reason to pull up the chain. So I think option D can be the answer. So here I'm writing option D for this question. Now let's move to the next question. So here the next question is, while traveling in an airline, you ordered something and there is some delay in your request, for which air hostess apologizes to you, and then what should be your reaction? Option A is would not consider the apology, get angry and start fighting. Obviously not. It is not kind to act in this way, like get this angry or to show anger to the person who is already apologizes for her or his mistake. So this option A and B I think is not appropriate, and option C is would accept the apology and request them to process your request as quickly as possible. So I think if someone is apologizing for their mistake or the delay of the service, then you should accept that, and that would be kind enough. Option D is would get disappointed and say nothing. So I think option C is the better one, as this is also kind to do so. So here the option should be option C. So that is for this question. So thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, press the thumbs up button. If you want to share something, then you can comment us in the below section, and also you can share this video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.